Few pieces of furniture are as essential, versatile, and profitable as chairs. Every home, office, cafe, or studio needs seating, which makes chairs one of the most consistent sellers in the furniture market. But chairs are not just functional. When crafted with care, they become statements of style, comfort, and design. A beautifully designed wooden chair can transform a room, capture the attention of buyers, and generate reliable income for the maker. Today, we explore how simple woodworking skills can create chairs that are not only beautiful but also profitable. From minimalist modern designs to rustic farmhouse styles, from small stools to elegant dining chairs, there's a chair for every buyer, and every piece represents an opportunity to earn. Unlike other furniture, chairs are personal. Buyers interact with them daily, feeling their comfort, balance, and craftsmanship. That connection makes them willing to invest in high-quality designs. This narration will guide you through the opportunities in chairmaking, show you how to maximize your profits, and explain why the market for stylish wooden seating is stronger than ever. You'll discover design ideas, tips for building efficiently, and strategies for turning every chair you craft into both a work of art and a reliable income source. Chairs are the perfect balance of practicality and creativity. Unlike a table or a shelf, a chair is a piece of furniture that demands comfort, stability, and aesthetic appeal. Each element, the seat, backrest, legs, and arms, contributes to both function and design. And because chairs are universally needed, they present a massive opportunity for makers to earn consistent income. The first principle in profitable chairmaking is understanding buyer needs. People want chairs that fit their spaces, match their decor, and feel comfortable to sit in. Some buyers prioritize style over function, seeking sculptural or minimalist chairs to enhance a room's visual appeal. Others look for durability and comfort, chairs that will last for years while maintaining aesthetic value. By recognizing these buyer priorities, you can design chairs that hit the sweet spot between form, function, and market demand. Minimalist wooden chairs have become particularly popular. Clean lines, simple joints, natural finishes, and slender frames appeal to modern interiors and small living spaces. Minimalist designs are also faster to produce, allowing you to build more units in less time. Because buyers associate these designs with elegance and contemporary style, they are often willing to pay premium prices. Even a small stool with sleek legs and a smooth top can sell at a strong margin if it fits the aesthetic of a buyer's home. Rustic and farmhouse-style chairs offer another profitable avenue. These pieces highlight natural wood textures, visible grains, and sturdy construction. They fit beautifully into kitchens, dining rooms, cafes, and outdoor settings. Rustic designs often allow makers to use reclaimed or locally sourced wood, which can reduce costs while increasing perceived value. A farmhouse chair with slight distressing, solid joints, and a hand-finished top can be sold as a statement piece at a premium price. Multifunctional chairs provide exceptional earning potential. Think stools that double as side tables, benches with hidden storage, or foldable chairs that save space when not in use. Buyers love functionality, and the added utility justifies higher pricing. These designs also allow you to create small collections or product lines, encouraging repeat sales. A single multifunctional chair can become the start of a profitable range of complementary pieces. Comfort is critical. While buyers are drawn to aesthetics, a chair that isn't comfortable won't sell consistently. Ergonomics should guide seat height, backrest angles, and cushion designs. Even minor adjustments, like slightly curved backrests or contoured seats, can transform a simple design into a chair that customers want to sit in and proudly display. Quality craftsmanship, clean finishes, and attention to comfort will increase perceived value, allowing you to price your chairs competitively while maintaining profit. Wood selection is another major factor in profitability. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and walnut provide durability and visual appeal, making chairs more desirable. Softwoods like pine or poplar are lighter and easier to work with, allowing faster builds and lower costs. Many makers combine hardwoods and softwoods strategically to optimize both style and profit. Reclaimed wood also adds a sustainability story, which buyers increasingly value, often allowing you to charge more for eco-conscious designs. Beyond material, finishing techniques significantly impact the market value. Smooth sanding, protective top coats, stains, oils, or paints elevate even the simplest chairs. Buyers associate professional finishes with higher quality and are willing to pay accordingly. A chair may be a simple frame with 4 legs, but with the right finish, it becomes a premium product that competes with high-end furniture in galleries and online marketplaces. Customization opens a new layer of opportunity. Offering color variations, engraved designs, cushion options, or adjustable heights allows buyers to personalize their chairs. Personalized or custom-made items command higher prices, create strong buyer loyalty, and often result in repeat purchases. This approach works particularly well for gifting or boutique sales, where a chair becomes more than a product, it becomes a cherished item. Marketing chairs online is a key factor for success. High-quality photographs, clear angles, and styled spaces allow buyers to imagine the chair in their own home. Videos showing the construction process, durability tests, or creative setups also help build trust and showcase craftsmanship. Chairs are visually appealing and easy to photograph, making them one of the most marketable furniture items for online sales. Batch production is another strategy for maximizing income. Chairs, especially those with simple or modular designs, can be produced in small series. Building multiple units of a popular style allows you to take advantage of economies of scale, optimize workflow, and reduce material waste. Once a design proves successful, it can become a staple in your product line, generating consistent revenue with predictable effort. Chairs are more than just furniture, they are income generators, statements of design, and pathways to financial growth for skilled makers. From sleek minimalist stools to rustic benches and multifunctional seating, each piece carries the potential to earn, inspire, and build your reputation. By focusing on comfort, craftsmanship, style, and customization, you transform every chair into a profitable opportunity. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.